name is Roberto Salinas. I am currently associate professor in the Department of Biochemistry of the University of São Paulo in Brazil. And I am a specialist in the application of NMR spectroscopy to study protein structure and dynamics.
I'm Hugo van Enge. I'm assistant professor at the Utrecht NMR Centre, and you're here in the Bloomberg NMR building, a facility where people can come for particularly life science analysis using NMR spectroscopy.
I'm doing an exchange program here with Utrecht, which is funded by Instruct. So this was an Instruct call. We applied together and then we got it funding. Basically to start a collaboration on a project on which I have been working already for many years.
And Roberto and me discussed this project, and it's a very exciting project on the role of protein motions, protein dynamics in this type 4 secretion system from this bug.
Now with Hugo, and we are basically applying NMR relaxation techniques, which are called CPMG, to study cannula exchange processes. And Hugo is an expert on this, so it is good that I could come.
So it's really great fun to work with Roberto, and also to work again with someone who really knows NMR in a similar way as I do myself, and it's great fun to discuss NMR pulse sequences, NMR experiments in great detail.
We actually optimized the pulse sequence, so we optimized it together. We basically did some troubleshooting, checked for some artifacts, and we now have it working well.
And what we're doing now together is basically develop a much more robust, user-friendly approach to run these very intricate protein dynamics experiments.
We're still going to record the main experiment in the coming weeks, and that is good in a way, because then I can repeat this in São Paulo.
So he's really making really great progress in developing this experiment and making sure that we can run it the best way possible and basically establish a workflow that is then also accessible for future other users of the facility.
Oh, it's a good opportunity, because then we can speak with Hugo, so we are in a big center in Europe, and you also get in touch with other people which are also doing interesting and different things in NMR. So it's good from this perspective of exchanging information and knowledge. For instance, this helium recovery system that they have installed here, we will have to do it in São Paulo as well, to install it. So it's good to come to see how it works, which are the problems, what do you need to be aware of, and to have access to instrumentation that we don't have in São Paulo as well.